students, you are all welcome to Syed Abdul Ali Academy. Syed Abdul Ali Academy has decided to take online classes. So online, due to COVID-19 you are staying at home, but we have to continue our studies. So we are continuing our work for you. You are all welcome to online class. Dear students, I hope you are all welcome. You are all well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. This is my identity. I am Mohammad Muslimuddin, Assistant Headmaster, Syed Abdul Ali Academy, Rangamati, Shodor Rangamati. This is subject identity. Today's our subject is English first paper. This is also for class 8, Unit 2, Lesson 1. Dear students, look at the picture. What can you see? There are some food and various products and delicious dishes for you. This is called food and nutrition. Dear students, here is a food pyramid for you. In this pyramid you can see various kinds of food in 4 steps. The below of this pyramid we see some food items. These are called bread, butter, etc. In number 2 we see some fruits and vegetables. In number 3 we can see fish, meat and various food for you. In number 4, top of the pyramid we see some oil, butter, ghee, etc. I am going to the next side. Look at this. This is a fish. You know a lot of fish we find in our lakes, canals and ponds, and fishes are also the main product of protein, and we produce it a lot. Just then look at the next picture. You know this is meat. Another picture for you. These are eggs, and after this follow this picture. This is food. I hope you can guess what is our lesson today. Our today's lesson is food and nutrition. Dear students, after learning this lesson, you will be able to know new word meaning, understand the lesson, answering questions. Dear students, here are some new words and their meaning for you. Important, properly. Properly means correctly, and important means see. The another word, certain. It means confident. Structure, and it means is construction. Now listen to the text very attentively. Rehana, the English teacher, is talking to the class about food. Food is very important for our body, she said. We can't live without it, so you must always have good food. What's good food, teacher? Asked a student. Good food means the right kind of food for good health, says Mrs. Rehana. It is nutritious. It must contain natural substances that our body needs to grow properly and stay healthy. But remember, you must not eat too much. Though the food is good, eating too much is bad for health. You have to eat only a certain amount of food that your body needs. So, we do not need the same kind of food in the same quantity. It depends on your growth and physical structure. Dear students, I hope you all listen to the text attentively. Now I am going to the next slide. Here are some works for you. Take your exercise book and write them on it. Find your school will remain open. We will check it. Yes, students. Now answer the following questions. Here is a question for you and write it in your exercise book. What is good food? Number B. What do we eat food? And number 3. What is meant by nutritious food? Write all of these questions in your exercise book, and I am giving you the answer of this question. Follow. Solution. Good food means right kind of food. This is the solution of number A. And good food means the right kind of food for good health. Number B. We eat food to live and build our body. And this is number 3. Nutritious food means fish, meat, egg, fruit, oil, etc. Write this answer in your exercise book. I am going to the next slide. Here are some individual work for you, and you should write these answers in your exercise book also. What is food? Write the name of some good food. Yes, students, I hope you have heard these questions, and you will try to write the answer of these questions yourself. I am going to the next slide. Self-assessment. What have you learned? Write 5 sentences about nutritious food. You should write this answer, 5 sentences about nutritious food on your exercise book, and write this answer serially. Yes, students. Evaluation. What we have learned from this lesson today? Number A. Do you know what's our today's lesson? I hope you know today's our lesson is. But number B. What is Mrs. Rehana talking about? Number C. What is the meaning of remember? I hope you all know the answers of this question. The answer of this question. Here is a homework for you. Write it in your exercise book. What kinds of food do we need? Write 5 sentences about it. You should write this answer in your exercise book. When your school will remain open again, then we will check it, and it is useful for your examination, for their examination. This paragraph is very useful for you. Yes, students, you are all congratulations to watch this class. Stay home, stay safe, and remain yourself healthy and safe. Don't go outside unnecessarily. If you need, you should wear mask, and after coming back home you should wash your hand with soap till 20 seconds. Change your dresses after coming home, and stay home, stay safe. You are welcome our another classes next. Till then, bye.